I'd like to clarify that the defense team of President Duterte never reached out to the Australian government to discuss about his interim release. I do not know where and to whom it was addressed, but I got a copy of it, and I do not know as well on what basis she was able to say that there is, parang it is not discussed with the Australian government and they will not allow interim release in Australia because in the first place, there is no application for interim release in Australia.
Nilinaw ni Vice President Sara Duterte nitong Biyernes na walang aplikasyon para sa pansamantalang paglaya o interim release sa Australia ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Paliwanag ng bise na ang Australia ay hindi kasama sa dalawang bansang pinangalanan ng defense team sa kanilang urgent request na interim release sa ICC. Nauna nang sinabi ni VP Duterte na ang kanyang personal na biyahe sa Australia ay hindi upang humingi ng pansamantalang paglaya para sa dating Pangulo.